Want to make someone miss you deeply? It's all about mastering a few powerful Stoic principles. First, be self-sufficient. When you're emotionally independent, your absence creates curiosity and admiration. Next, control your emotions. Stay calm and composed in any situation. It leaves a lasting impression and makes you more intriguing. Communicate intentionally. Speak thoughtfully and leave them wanting more. The fewer words you waste, the more they'll think about you. Also, embrace absence. Don't be constantly available. When you give space, it builds anticipation and longing. Finally, live with purpose. Pursue your passions and goals. When you're driven and focused, your energy becomes magnetic. Master these principles, and you'll not only be missed, but become unforgettable, always on their mind. Now we are about to end the video. Now it is time to change your life. Write down a comment and say that you want to change your life. No matter how difficult it is to change. I will read each of your comment and feature one of the best comment in our channel.